Squatting, everyone wants to do squatting to build their butt, build their legs, and they end up with a lot of issues that bring them to my office. So how do you squat correctly is the subject of this video. Stay tuned. Hey, this is Dr. Shaki from Irvine Spinal Wellness Center, Irvine Posture and Movement Clinic. Squatting is important, very important, but there are certain things that you need to have in order to do your squatting correctly. Otherwise, you are going to hurt yourself. So in order to properly do the squatting, your spine has to be neutral. Neutral means no excess curvature or no curvature in the lower back, and no excess curvature here. So you try to look at the neutral spine like a tabletop spine. So we've done videos on how proper breathing engagement of the barrel is. We're going to make sure we put that at the end of this video so you can refer to it and re-watch this video after having watched that. So you want to bring your spine into a neutral position, which means engaging the pelvic floor and bringing your spine in the lower back into a neutral place. You're bringing your shoulder blades towards your back pocket by not pushing your the pecs or the front of the shoulders back, but by engaging the shoulder blade muscles to pull it back. So now under those circumstances, now I'm going to face you this way. Your feet need to be as wide apart as your pelvis. You may bring it out or keep it straight. I suggest you do both. The issue is sometimes people overdo it, which is more of an external rotation of the hip, which can cause a problem because you're rotating the ball inside the socket a little too far back. So I would say somewhere between straight and 45 degrees is a good place to be. With a neutral spine, instead of going down and letting my knees go forward, I'm gonna let my glutes and my torso at an angle go backward. So what you don't wanna do is letting your butt sticking out like that. Keep it neutral and keep going low, low, low. That means you're gonna hip hinge forward if you need to. If that makes it uncomfortable, you can go a little bit wider than your pelvis, but not so far wide, which I have seen people do. So you're gonna do that. You're gonna keep it neutral. You're gonna sit low and go there as far as you can. Keep the spine neutral, and then you can work on holding yourself in that position. You need to pay close attention to your lower back, lower ab, inside and outside of your thighs, and make sure that when you're holding it to build a strength, you're not pushing yourself and compromising the integrity of certain muscles in your legs specifically, because that's how you end up with knee issues. If you have any questions, make sure you use one of the contacts methods in the description box. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, you may want to do so now. Until next time.